Good morning, everyone. Well, afternoon, because I don't wake up in the mornings. Exciting news! I am going on vacation tomorrow with my boyfriend. So, I kind of gotta figure out everything I need to do.
You're on your phone now? What are you doing?
Say hi.
I don't wanna.
Change purse. I can do that right now. Because currently I have this Calvin Klein purse and it's cute, but it's really stiff at the top, so it's hard for me to grab things. And considering I'm going to be carrying around a camera and probably other things, I need something better. So let's go find a purse. This is my selection. I got this purse organizer from Amazon, by the way. Thought maybe this one, because it's nice and easy to throw things in. I don't know. Okay, so I decided on this bag. This is my Kate Spade bag that cost an obscenely large amount of money. But it was worth it, because I love me some Kate Spade. Let's change purses. I think it's time for me to start packing. Now, this is where it gets fun and interesting and snazzy. So, all the things, I have to pack my suitcase, and I'm currently charging my camera batteries there and there. And I'm bringing the chargers with, because I know they'll be dead in 2 seconds. Ooh, cosmetic bags. Normal suitcase. So the suitcase was actually a gift. I don't remember for what occasion, but my parents did get me it as a gift, and it's from Walmart, and I love it because it's pink. So let's begin packing. One set of pajamas, second set of pajamas. I am also bringing these cool fuzzy socks my boyfriend got me for my birthday, so I can wear them around the hotel. Before I go any further with packing, I'm gonna oil my hair because I didn't do it yesterday. I leave the oil in for a minimum of an hour, and then I shower and wash it out. Okay, so it is now 10:24, so I'm gonna take my hair down and I'm gonna shower. The oil's been in my hair long enough, so now I get to wash it out. Today is the day we go on vacation. I'm so excited. The only thing I'm not happy about is my skin, because of course it decides to break out like I'm a teenager. I mean, quite frankly, I was a teenager not too long ago, but okay, so I got dressed. I'm wearing a dress, and it is time to do my makeup and pack my makeup in this. Yep. Tacky. I love how tacky is an insult, but now everybody in the world is just like, tacky makeup. We ended up leaving a few hours later than we planned to, but that's okay because I budgeted an extra few hours because I knew I was gonna be late. Okay, so we only have about 50 minutes left till we get there. Boyfriend is getting gas right now. That's him right there. We got lost a bunch of times, but it's fine. We figured it out.
And then we arrived in the water park capital of the world, the beautiful Wisconsin Dells. We made our way to our resort and we checked in at the front desk. And of course, I had to follow my instincts, and my instincts led me to the store. I ended up picking up this beautiful moose in a pink shirt, and I love her very much, and she's just so beautiful, and I was so happy that I got to find her.
A room! Oh my god, it's huge, hon. Oh my god. This room is huge. Okay. We got a microwave and a fridge and 2 TVs. Look at these nice ass beds. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Ooh, a toilet. Oh, the lighting in here sucks. But there's not a lot of places to put things, but that's a-okay with me. A safe. We got drinks, we got snacks, and we got Dippin' Dots. How much is water? $4 freaking dollars? That's ridiculous. No.
As we were about to leave for our activity, the car died and would not start, which is just fabulous for us. We had to call a tow truck and they ended up jumping the car and everything turned out okay. Huge shout out to all the tow truck drivers out there helping all of us who don't know what we're doing with our vehicles. Now I'm hungry. Let's go get a cheeseburger.
See? It's half indoor, half outdoor.
That's so weird.
Man, this was the best cheeseburger I think I have ever had. It was so freaking good.
You are fucking that shit up.
Okay, so we just got back from the burger bar and I had it medium well done on my burger and it was fan-frickin-tastic. It was like if Red Robin and Outback Steakhouse had a baby, it would be that burger. Plus they had chips and it was very good. The server was fantastic. He was very nice. So now we are gonna go and paint some pottery.
So the pottery painting ended up being probably one of my favorite experiences from this experience. I ended up painting a cow, of course, in normal Anna fashion, and it was just so relaxing and such a calming, happy memory, and oh my god, it was so fun.
Show me. What's its name?
Justin Trudeau.
Show the special feature.
So this concludes day 1 of the vacation vlogs. Be sure to subscribe to catch day 2.